Welcome to Meghan and Harry Tales channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and show some love to Harry and Meghan. I am your host, Kelly. Here we unravel the intricate and often untold stories surrounding the Duke and Duchess of Sussex. Today we delve into a particularly compelling narrative: Prince Harry's legal challenge for police protection while visiting the UK. What led to this situation, and what does it mean for Harry and his family? Stay tuned as we explore these questions. Today we delve into a fascinating chapter of Prince Harry's ongoing quest for police protection in the UK. Our story begins in the year 2020, a pivotal moment for Prince Harry. This is when the firmament of his life took an unexpected twist. The authorities, in a move that was as surprising as it was unprecedented, decided to withdraw his police protection. The reasons provided were shrouded in ambiguity, leaving more questions than answers. Harry, who was once nestled within the protective cocoon of the royal family, suddenly found himself and his family exposed to potential threats and dangers. This wasn't just about his personal safety anymore. It was about his wife, Meghan, and their young son, Archie. The stakes were higher than ever. The safety concerns raised by Harry and his family were met with deaf ears. The authorities remained unmoved, and the police protection was not reinstated. But Harry was not one to back down. He had a family to protect, a duty to fulfill. And so he did what any concerned family man in his position would do. He took a stand. He challenged the decision, sparking a legal battle that would not only question the actions of the authorities, but also the very foundations of the institution he was a part of. This was more than a personal fight. It was a fight for transparency, for accountability, for justice. With his security withdrawn, Prince Harry took a stand, leading to a legal confrontation that captured global attention. February brought a chilly reception in court for Prince Harry's pleas. The court's decision to deny Harry's request for police protection while visiting the UK was grounded in several compelling arguments. The judiciary noted that the provision of personal security by the state is not a matter of entitlement based on an individual's subjective fears, but rather a decision based on objective security assessments made by the appropriate authorities. The court highlighted that these assessments had concluded that the risks to Prince Harry, although not negligible, did not meet the high thresholds required for state-funded protection. Furthermore, it was pointed out that Harry's change of status, having stepped back from royal duties and relocating outside of the UK, significantly altered the nature of any risks he might face. The judges were firm in their stance, emphasising the importance of resource allocation and the necessity for security provisions to be justified clearly and critically, beyond personal desires or past positions. Despite this setback, the battle was far from over for Harry, not one to back down. Harry's resolve only strengthened. In the wake of a disheartening initial ruling, Prince Harry's journey through the labyrinth of legal proceedings took a pivotal turn in April. Following a setback where his initial appeal was denied, the intricacies of the legal system began to unfold in an even more public manner. The court's rationale for denying Harry's first bid to appeal was rooted in complex legal principles. It was argued that there was insufficient ground to overturn the previous decision. This ruling not only dealt a blow to Harry's quest for reinstatement of police protection, but also highlighted the daunting challenges of contesting such established decisions within the British legal framework. Financial implications of this legal saga were profound. Prince Harry found himself on the hook for legal fees reportedly in excess of $1 million. This staggering amount underscores the expensive nature of legal battles, especially those involving matters of personal security and public interest. It raises questions about the financial burdens one must bear in pursuit of what they believe to be just and necessary protections. Yet despite these hurdles, the saga did not end there. The denial of the initial appeal might have seemed like a conclusive barrier, but it also set the stage for a deeper examination of the issues at hand. It prompted discussions about the rights of individuals, especially those with high public profiles, to personal security and the responsibilities of the state in ensuring these protections. The unfolding of these events offers a stark reminder of the complexities and costs associated with legal challenges. It also highlights the resilience needed to navigate them. Prince Harry's continued efforts to appeal the decision underscore his commitment to his family's safety and his belief in the principles of justice and fairness. But as the saying goes, when one door closes, another opens. In an unexpected twist, the tides began to turn for Harry. After a series of legal setbacks, the news broke that Prince Harry was granted permission to appeal his case concerning police protection while in the UK. This development is not just a new chapter in his ongoing legal saga, it's a beacon of hope for his pursuit of justice. Let's delve into why this permission to appeal is significant. Initially, Harry's request for police protection was denied, leaving him and his family feeling vulnerable during their visits to the UK. This decision was challenged, but the initial rulings were not in his favour. The permission to appeal suggests that there might be more to consider in Harry's arguments, or perhaps new evidence that could potentially sway the court's previous decisions. The reasons behind granting this appeal could be manifold. It might indicate that the appellate court sees potential merit in Harry's claims, or it could reflect the complexities surrounding the policies of protection for royals and their kin. This move also opens up the possibility for a thorough re-evaluation of the risks and security needs associated with Harry and his family when they are in Britain. This permission to appeal breathed new life into Harry's legal quest. It underscores a crucial point. The journey for fairness and safety isn't over yet. It highlights the perseverance required to challenge and possibly change institutional decisions, especially when it comes to personal security and well-being. As we watch this story unfold, it serves as a poignant reminder of the ongoing struggles that sometimes accompany public life and legacy. But what does this mean beyond the courtroom, you might ask? Well, Prince Harry's legal battle has ignited a broader conversation about royal security protocols and public safety. It's not just about one prince, it's about the precedent it sets for the future of the monarchy and the safety of those who are no longer working royals. The public has been following this legal tussle closely, with reactions ranging from staunch support to biting criticism. There are those who believe that Prince Harry, as a member of the royal family, should be entitled to protection, especially given the tragic history of his mother, Princess Diana. They argue that his safety and that of his family should not be compromised, regardless of his decision to step back from royal duties. On the other hand, critics question the necessity of taxpayer-funded protection for someone who chose to leave the royal life behind. They argue that Prince Harry's decision to live abroad, with the financial independence that he and Meghan have established, should come with the responsibility of arranging his own security. Media reactions have been equally polarised. Some outlets have praised Prince Harry's tenacity, applauding his efforts to challenge what he sees as an unjust system. Others have portrayed him as entitled, suggesting that his demands are unreasonable given his decision to step back from royal duties. But there's more to it than just opinions. This case has sparked a broader debate about who should bear the cost of royal security. It's brought attention to the complexities of royal protection, its cost, and the question of who qualifies for it. It's a debate that will likely continue long after this case is resolved. As we watch this saga unfold, it's clear that Prince Harry's legal battle has implications far beyond his personal circumstances. It's a reflection of a monarchy grappling with its modern identity, a public divided over its loyalty, and a media landscape that thrives on controversy. As the lines between personal safety and public interest blur, the debate intensifies. As we've seen, Prince Harry's journey is more than a personal battle. It's a narrative steeped in the complexities of legal strife, public duty, and personal safety. Throughout this video, we've delved into the genesis of his legal challenges, from the initial court decisions to the consequential appeals that have sparked debates far and wide. This saga reflects not just on a prince's fight for his right to protection, but also on broader issues of security, public interest, and the intricate dance between public institutions and private lives. The court's rulings and the subsequent permissions to appeal tell us this story is far from over. It continues to evolve, with each legal step taken opening new chapters in what has become a significant public and legal drama. What does this mean for the future? It signals ongoing legal battles, certainly, but also an enduring discussion about the rights of individuals in positions of high public interest. Prince Harry's situation invites us to ponder the balance between public duty and personal safety, a topic that resonates well beyond the confines of royalty. Let this be a conversation starter among us. What are your thoughts on the balance between public responsibility and individual rights? How do you see the role of the legal system in such high-profile cases? Thank you everyone for watching the video, and let's show some love by subscribing and sharing the video. Remember to leave a comment. Thank you. I am your loyal host, Kelly.